don't like it.
You don't wanna talk? Look, you're not gonna talk. You're just gonna write and then you read. Diba? Kasi you're galing.
Not talk.
Not talk.
Oh. Not talk in the cell phone.
Yeah, no.
Only you.
Of course.
Yung adult but talk.
Yeah.
Yung baby hindi.
Mm-mm.
Look.
Oh, galing. Okay. You read.
Wait.
The?
The.
Oh, this one first. This one first.
Is the house
Hawk.
of going
Blue.
down to me?
Okay. Next sentence.
The baby crawls on the
Lawn.
lawn.
Very good!
Nagulat ako eh.
Why?
Not too loud, only so that it's very good.
Okay, next page. Next page. Very easy, right?
Car.
Car. Second.
Car.
Star.
Car.
Far. Okay, you're right. What's the first letter?
E.
E. And then?
The third
The second.
A.
Third?
R.
Okay.
You spell car.
C-A-R. Car.
Spell star.
Star. S-T-A-R.
You spell far.
Far. F-A-R.
Why?
Galing ka?
Galing mo mag-read ng letters, ng alphabet.
Okay.
Why you only get a crush?
I got a what?
Why you only get a pin?
A print? Kasi I'm a big girl na, so I have a print.
Me, I'm not have a pin because I'm still small.
Yes, you're still small.
Are you picturing me?
No, it's